Hey, quick question. Is your accounts team still manually creating sales invoices in Xero? If so, there's a much smarter way to do this. At XCloud Partners, we've built the XCloud Connector, a powerful integration that connects Certinia PSA with Xero, so you can automate the creation of Xero sales invoices and track their status, all without leaving PSA. Here's how it works. Once you've synced your billing accounts and billing contacts between Salesforce and Xero, and you're using Certinia PSA, you can generate billing events and billing event line items directly from your projects. At the end of each billing period, your project managers can review billing events within Salesforce, flag them for release, then either automatically schedule invoice creation in Xero, hands-free, or manually create a draft invoice, picking the line items they want to include. With just a click, the XCloud Connector generates the sales invoice in Xero and automatically syncs back the invoice details, like invoice number, issue date, and status, right into PSA. So your team can see and track everything from one place, without logging into Xero. And when a payment is reconciled in Xero, the status is automatically updated in PSA, so your team knows exactly when and what has been paid. It's seamless, efficient, and eliminates double handling and errors. Let's stop duplicating effort and start streamlining your invoice process and give time back to your accounts team to perform higher, meaningful, and engaging work.